All right, good morning beekeepers. I'm going to do a couple of quick product reviews. The first one, of course, is the Guardian bee jacket that I got. It's just a half-length jacket, pretty tight elastic waistband. You can see it's a good brass zipper. Under this flap you got two zippers. One I've already pulled way back over here, and the other one goes back the other way. This part right here in the middle is kind of takes a little getting used to, but I think it's going to be okay. This is the only complaint I have about this jacket is, well, let's find it. I've already got it pulled back too. Okay, so the zipper on this side overlaps the other one and tucks up underneath it. That's the only way I can get it to work at all, but you have to hold the corner in order to zip it or unzip it, because it just doesn't want to unzip. All right, so all right, this little necktie, you might like it. I hate it, but I'll cut it off. It's all right. The bees have not found a way through this jacket except when it rides up in the back. So that's something you just got to pay attention to. But I kind of like it. It is a lot cooler than a full bee jacket. So that's the reason why I got it, so I don't melt wearing a full bee jacket. The next is Apis tactical gloves. Now I've got the long ones instead of the ones that come to your wrist, because I want that extra protection. You wear it under your jacket, so your jacket fits snug against it, and then your sleeve of your glove goes further back. The sizes are a little bit strange, not like some of the other gloves. They do have a measurement chart, so you measure your hand. My suggestion is that you find a way of trying on a pair so you get the right size. This is an extra large. All of my other gloves are just large and they fit good, but this extra large fits my hand pretty snug, gives you real good dexterity. They're pretty flexible. I did not order the leather conditioner, but I'm going to get it while they're in good shape so they stay nice and flexible. Overall, I prefer these over the big bulky leather, cowhide, lamb's hide. Those, I had some that went up to the sleeve, 2 pairs of those, and they're so cumbersome working with them. These are quite a bit better. The next step up would be using nitro gloves or no gloves. So the next thing is, you've seen on my videos, I bought the 12-inch Day Damp smoker. This thing is nice and heavy. The only thing I found is it burns just as much. I use shaved pine for fuel. This will burn just as much fuel as my 8-inch in the same amount of time. So I'm going to have to go to pellets, and then I think it will be good, because there's a lot of room for pellets in this. So I've only got 4 hives right now, and I have to refill it between the 2 on one side and the 2 on the other. And that's what I was hoping to avoid with this, and it didn't happen. So it's a nice smoker. I like the shield to keep your hands from melting. It has the 2 air holes so that it vents better and keeps warmer. And that's probably why it burns my pine shavings so fast. I still like the thing. I'm just gonna have to go to pellets. All right. The other thing I bought at the Bee Expo was Bye Bye Beetle. These are baited beetle traps. You can see the dark spot in the middle, that's the bait. And the beetles can climb in and get to the bait, but the bees can't. I've just put them all in my hives, and I do have beetles. Who doesn't in the South? So we'll see on the next inspection. We'll look and see what kind of job these do. The Hive Alive fondant packs, they love them. They've the two on this side have completely cleaned them out. The two on that side just barely have a little bit around the edge. So yeah, they're working really well. Buying a case was a mistake because I've only got 4 hives and it looked like winter's over. So 2 months of putting fondant packs on. They've only used 1 pack apiece. My biggest hive, I just put a second fondant pack on it because we're really not seeing any blooms yet, but they are bringing in a lot of pollen, so they're finding it somewhere. So I don't know that either the pollen patties that I put in or that extra fondant pack are necessary, but one of my big hives I put a fondant pack on, the other one I didn't, just so I can kind of see what the difference is between the two. Let me see, I want to show you this. This is something I kind of hinted to on my last video. Let me get my camera adjusted here. All right, this is something I kind of hinted to last time. All but the blue box are a Temu Wax Dipped hive. As you can see, most of the wax is already gone, and they were put out here in August of last year, and they're in my backyard, so they're protected from the wind, but yet a lot of the wax is already melted off of them. Of course, inside they still look like brand new wax dipped hives. Now, I don't see any signs of warpage or anything. So, I mean, they still look pretty good. It's only been 6 months. This summer will tell on how much of this wax just runs off to the bottom. And I put this nice painted box of mine that's over a year old on there, kind of so that it's a comparison. It's in the same environment, and you can see there's, other than animal prints on the side, there's no signs of wear on it either. I mean, they still look good. I don't see any signs of warpage or separating through the winter, but we'll see what the summer brings. So jury's still out on the Temu Wax Dip box. All right, thanks again for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and we'll have some more videos coming out soon. Thanks for watching. See you next time.